welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kripa. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, your girl is back. Let's go. So I was supposed to post result and everything day, like for IGCSE and everything, but I didn't, cause I totally forgot about it. All right, it's on me. I'm so sorry, but I'll give you a context. I got 86.5, best out of 5, and my overall was 85. Okay, I didn't get a A star, none at all. I was like 2 marks and 1 mark and 3 marks closer to the A star thingy, but I didn't end up getting one, and I guess it's fine because I did give my 100%, and that's what matters. So, context, okay, this is a update video, like what's going on in my life and everything, because I forgot that YouTube exists and I had just left it hanging for over a year, and I do not want to do that. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. uh, After my exams, my mom started looking at tie-up classes. Okay, good thing. It's not like a good thing at all, because I genuinely wanted to stay in school for my 11th and 12th. But the thing is that my mom thought, if I really want to become a doctor and give NEET, I cannot stay in school. So I took PCMB in one of her new classes. So like the population was a little less compared to the most of the tie-up classes. Okay, and I took admission there. Okay, I had to, because I wasn't given a choice. I was given one, but then I cannot help it. So the day of actually giving my documents to them and everything, like securing my spot in the admission, I cried the entire day. I was like, no, I do not want to go. I want to go back to school. Everything. Okay, my mom so thought that I was just having hard time adjusting and everything, but it wasn't that. It was way worse, and I cannot give you the context right now, but I would in future. Let's just see that. We'll keep that in mind. So the thing is, I took admission there for a year and everything. My mom saw how they conducted exams and everything, and my mom hated it. And one renowned day, we went to my school, because again I had to submit my leaving certificate for the 14th time. Because, yeah, IGCSE. Let's go. The thing is that a few, like a specific document is not given by IGCSE schools, because, what can I say? Because it's not needed after 10th, but then the college, the one that I was taking tie up with, wanted it. I don't know why, how, I don't know anything. So me and my mom went to school, okay, to inquire about it. And my school is quite far from my house. It's like around 7 kilometers, I think. Wait, let me fact check. So my school is around 13.6 kilometers away, and it takes 31 minutes to reach. Okay, so me and my mom were like, let's go to school, and we went. The fact that I got in school, I mean, I reached at the gate itself, I got so nostalgic. Ki, oh my god, it has changed so much. This has been built, this has been changed, this was shifted, this, that, everything. Okay, and then I went to my career counselor from school, because we needed to ask her, is this how it is this document provided by school or not, and blah blah blah. And met her, she hugged me, I hugged her, we I cried, I cried my eyes out. And I was like, oh my god, I would have come back. I never wanted to leave, blah, blah, blah. And then the thing is, in this span of time, I had even changed my career option. So, again, context. In my tie up, I had taken PCMB and it was a SSC. Okay, SSC tie up, and I was from IGCSE. IGCSE to SSC is bad, bad. Okay, and then I cried here with her and everything. Then my mom saw that, and then she was like, "No, I feel like the mafia in here and everything." She felt like that. So my mom started discussing about the classes with my career counselor. He, yeah, this is what happened and everything. And can we actually bring her back to school? And I heard that, and I was on cloud nine. Okay, I was usually like below ground, and then I got over here. That was insane, cause what do you mean you just get to have a second chance in the same school that you were brought up in, the same environment, the teacher culture, the everything. Like my school is the definition of a great amazing you know staff, teachers, even the support staff is like amazing. The maushis, the bhaiyas, they are the soul of the school. Okay, and then I got to come back to this environment again, but then there's a pit in the stomach because I had to repeat my 11th because I did it in SSC, and as we all know, AS level do have boards. Yeah, 11th has boards, okay, in international curriculum, those who do not know. So yeah, I'm in 11th again. And I'm so proud to say that I am the graduating batch of this school of A levels 2028. Yay! I'm so happy about it. Oh my god, yeah. So there's that. Okay, that's all that has happened. Oh yeah, I became a national level swimmer. I started my own organization. It's a big deal, I know. This year was kind of like a gap year. Like 2025 was a gap year for me. I'll consider it that because otherwise people think it's a failure, everything, blah blah blah. No, dude, no. It's never too late to restart everything and all. It's so diabolical that people just go like, oh my god, you're repeating. Yeah, so repeating culture is going on. So many people who are actually doing the national level tests and everything are repeating, and it's totally fine. It's just that your parents have to accept it, and that's it. And if you guys need help convincing your parents to let you repeat, reach out. I'm your girl, yeah. Reach out. But then there's that. And so about my organization, it's a mental health organization which I started because we all are teens, and people like the therapists do get us, but then you cannot actually share everything with the therapist. Like there are a few people who do not do that and everything. So till now we have saved 5 people from suiciding. But then I recently found out that it's not at all legal, and now I've started feeling like Walkstein, it's the name of the organization, okay, was completely a waste of time. I know it wasn't, okay. I know for sure it wasn't a waste of time, but then I cannot put it on my portfolio or anything. So yeah, okay, this is getting so chaotic, but another thing, the subjects that I've taken for AS, it's chemistry, maths, pure and stats. like obviously. Then there's economics and business. It's a weird combination. I know I haven't taken physics, but I'm planning on giving AP Physics and AP Psych, but I'm not totally sure about it. But let's see. Okay, I'm not planning on doing my SATs because I really want to get into Sciences Po, which is in France, and it doesn't actually require SAT or PSAT or anything. So let's see. But then it does require 2 A star 1 A, which I am genuinely preparing for. But I'm a little scared because maths is bad, okay? And I have already, like, missed out on 2 whole months of studies. Not even two, 3. And the thing is, okay, context. I'm filming this like wait, 26th. Yeah, is it 26th? No, it's 27th of August, okay? I'm filming this on 27th. I have my exams, semester 1, starting from 31st. And I'm not prepared. Okay, I'm terrified because I haven't given any semester exams in a year, and I have no idea how it's going to work or anything. Like, I've completely forgotten everything about it except for my English, because I love my English. I love my English. I kept on reading. I don't care. So yeah, there's that. This got awkward. Anyways, so guys, if you all have any questions for me or something that I'd like to add on in the next video or something like that, let me know, cause I will try to be regular. And yeah, tomorrow is Rakhi. So it's a huge festival and I will be meeting my, what do we say, cousins and everybody. So yeah, I will be filming tomorrow for sure. Let's just hope. Let's just hope I do, because I genuinely want to keep this going and everything with my studies, because my exams are up. That's another thing. But then if I actually want to build something or want to have a video diary, at least post it somewhere on the internet, and even if it helps a person who is going through something that I'm going through, then it's a win-win. Cause even if nobody watches it, I'm fine, cause it's my video diary. It's me who will be watching it when I grow up, when I move to a different country or something like that. Do not jinx it, cause I really want to go to San Francisco. So yeah, guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.